By the very act of living, he entangles his path. The embarrassment, however, gives him proof that he lives. Certain people deny misery, referring to the sun. He denies the sun, referring to misery. The true path is the path on a rope, stretched not above, but on the ground. A rope that seems designed to stumble rather than be crossed. The decisive movement of human evolution is permanent. That is why the revolutionary movements of the spirit are right, which declare the entire past ineffective. Nothing has yet happened. One of the most efficient means of seduction of the devil is the provocation to fight. It's like fighting with women, which ends up in bed. Leopards burst into the temple and exhausted the sacred vessels. This has always been repeated. Finally, it is possible to imagine it. It becomes part of the liturgy. Rooks claim to have the power to destroy the sky. This is beyond doubt, but it proves nothing against heaven, for heaven means absence of rooks. It is only because of our notion of time that we speak of the Last Judgment. In fact, it is a permanent emergency court. In the struggle between the world and you, accompany the world. It is not lawful to defraud anyone, not even the world, therefore, of your victory. There is knowledge of the devil, but there is no faith in him, for there is no more diabolical than there is. Don't bend, don't water it down, don't try to make it logical, don't edit your own soul according to the fashion. Rather, follow your most intense obsessions mercilessly. Youth is happy because it has the capacity to see beauty. Anyone who keeps the ability to see beauty never grows old. I write differently from what I speak differently from what I think differently from the way I ought to think, and so it all proceeds into deepest darkness. I cannot make you understand. I cannot make anyone understand what is happening inside me. I cannot even explain it to myself. By believing passionately in something that still does not exist, we create it. The non-existent is whatever we have not sufficiently desired. You do not need to leave your room. Remain sitting at your table and listen. Do not even listen, simply wait, be quiet, still and solitary. The world will freely offer itself to you to be unmasked. It has no choice, it will roll in ecstasy at your feet.